In that hypothetical scenario, Your Honor, the ERs, the CCS transmission, the transparency server will be in sync. But the physical ballot may not. Kasi syempre, may...
And if the physical ballot is not, that's where double counting comes in.
Hindi po, iba pa po yung double
Okay,
counting.
so where is the security breach in your example?
The security breach there sa hypothetical weakness ng system is that you can, parang it now puts into question the argument that whether an ER printed, the transparency server reflected the same count, and the official electronic transmission reflected the same count. Therefore,